Was buying these two Lennox air conditioners a mistake? 6 years ago when I bought them, I would have said no. Today, I would say absolutely yes. It was a mistake buying these Lennox air conditioners. I have 37 years in the air conditioning and heating trade as a contractor, an installer, and a technician. So how does somebody with my level of experience make a mistake in the air conditioners I chose to install in my own home? That's the question we're going to dive into today. Let me start by saying this is not a Lennox bash video whatsoever. By and large, these two Lennox systems have done pretty well. They are very quiet, they are very efficient. They cool my house wonderfully to within a half a degree, and that has to do with the inverter variable speed technology. I've covered these two Lennox systems in a full good, bad, and ugly review. My experience with them over the last 6 years, they have not been without fault. What was a mistake in buying these units was frankly the return on investment, or the bang for the buck. At the time when I purchased them 6 years ago, they were definitely the quietest and the most precise equipment on the market. That is something where Lennox always leads the charge. However, there are units nowadays that have the same technology, that are super quiet, that will keep my home just as comfortable as these two guys do for significantly less money. So in hindsight, if I were to do it all over again, I would choose another brand, not because of issues with Lennox, why the Lennox air conditioners were a mistake. The return on investment, or the bang for the buck, just isn't there with these two systems. If I had to purchase these systems again today, this particular system, known as the Lennox XC25, its successor is the SL28, and the heat pump version, the XP25, cost over $20,000 installed here in the Phoenix market. So I have two of them. We're talking about investing $40,000 in air conditioners, which frankly isn't attainable for a lot of people. One system alone at $20,000, let alone $40,000 investment in two systems, when you can get the same technology, the same quietness, and the same comfort level for a lot less than the big three, Lennox, Carrier, and Trane. For years, brands like Lennox, Trane, and Carrier dominated the market, known as the big three. You had a couple offshoots, Amana, the white labeled Goodman product owned by Daikin. You had Reams and Ruds, smaller, less known brands. But for the most part, the big three dominated the market for many years, especially when it came to emerging technology, when we went from single stage equipment to two-stage equipment, and then to variable speed inverters. In the last decade or so, equipment brands like Gree, Medea, Bosch have emerged as leaders in this technology. In fact, Gree's claim to fame on inverter technology is that they manufacture 1 in 3 variable speed air conditioners that are being produced in the world today. So much larger than the big three combined. When it comes to this technology, these brands are offering this same comfort level, this same technology, super quiet systems, and very efficient systems for thousands of dollars less than the big three. 2 years ago, I chose this Gree to cool my 4-car garage. It was just the best bang for the buck at the time. My Lennox equipment over there is now about 6.5 years old. Based on manufacturer life expectancy, here in Phoenix, An air conditioner is expected to last 10 to 12 years now, so they're at their half-life right now. In 6 years or so, I'll probably be replacing them. If I were to do it today, I think I would choose Bosch. It's a brand that we install for hundreds and hundreds of clients that really love them because the technology is the same as those Lennox systems, but when they see the price side by side, there's no comparison anymore. Especially in a house like mine where you have multiple systems, that thousands of dollars differences between equipment can really rack up. And the bang for the buck just isn't there. There's not enough difference between them to justify that additional cost. I've reviewed a lot of air conditioners and heat pumps in many other videos. A recurring theme that you'll always hear me say, nothing is more important than the installation. This is especially true when it comes to variable speed inverters. A variable speed inverter installed improperly, no matter what brand you buy, is going to be a nightmare, and I have seen it. The most important thing that you can do when you're looking at air conditioners before comparing brands is compare the installer, the company that you're going to do business with. Because there are a lot of things that the layman will not know that somebody like myself with 37 years in the industry knows when corners are cut that will impact not only the life of that system, but the comfort level, the noise levels, all of that you're paying for. These inverter systems, no matter how you slice it, they're expensive. But what's not in 2026, right? The best advice that I can give anybody watching, go watch some of our other videos. If you're in the market for an air conditioner right now, I'm assuming if you're watching a video like this, you're either in the trade or you're in the market. And if you're in the market, you definitely want to learn more about this technology, the differences in the brands, and making the right decision up front about who installs them. Even if you don't live in the Phoenix market where Magic Touch Mechanical serves, I'm always happy to help anybody who's in the process of buying an air conditioner. Drop me your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to answer any questions. And do me a favor, if this video was helpful, subscribe, give the video a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, whether I just need to shut up and get off of YouTube, or if there's a particular product that you'd like me to do a review on. If you are in the Phoenix area, give Magic Touch Mechanical a call. Our phone number is 480-855-8789, and our website is airconditioningarizona.com. You might run across fireandairaz.com. That's because Magic Touch Mechanical also owns the Fireplace, a fireplace showroom in Mesa, Arizona. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I hope you have the best of luck with your new air conditioning system.